Fun fact, I've actually never used an Electrify America charging system, so this is actually going to be the first time that I'm experiencing it. But I mean, it seems like pretty normal charging, I think. Not as seamless, right? Obviously, you have to connect your card, you have to use your app, you have to do all these extra things. It's not just like pulling up and plugging in, but hopefully it works, because we only have 26 miles of range and we still have like a good hour and a half of driving. Did it work?
Actually, no.
Oh crap.
No, we'll be fine.
Working?
Yep.
Ah, thank God.
That's how I just plugged in and started charging. I actually don't know why.
Oh.
I didn't initiate the payment. So I don't know if I'm paying for this. I actually don't know. Maybe my Apple Pay was close enough. I don't know.
What? No, you got to still verify Apple Pay before you use it.
Welcome driver. Session price cannot currently be displayed. Details will be updated in your member account when available. I think this one might be free. I don't think it initiated properly.
Okay, let's not touch it. Great, it's charging.
I think this actually might be a free charge.
Dope. Let's come here more often.
It's like $40 to get a full charge of this. So.
And it turns out we're getting free supercharging or free charging here somehow. I don't know, but one of the quirks of not being directly connected to your credit card, I guess, is that you might occasionally get free charging. Cool. All right. Oh man. Okay. Ow. All right. Okay. Got it. Okay, cool.
Let's go to driver profile.
All right.
Add new drivers from your Rivian app, actually.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
You gotta do it through the Rivian app?
That's what it says.
Weird. All right. That's like not convenient. Right? That's pretty weird. Whatever. Start. Let's do it. Skirt, skirt. Whew. Man, it's a long drive. It's a long drive. What's up, brother?
Hey, how's it going?
All right.
Hey, this looks cool. Look at it.
Yeah, right. Buddy. Hey. This is Nala, now named Bob. Hey, Renzo. Oh, okay. All right, we're dirty now. Okay, look, we brought you a Starlink. There you go. Nice. There you go. We're not sure if it's gonna work here. Look how small it is.
Yeah, look at that.
Hopefully it works.
Part of it.
It's under here.
I
Yeah.
hope it works.
Yeah, let's go set it up. All right, so what we're gonna try and do is see if we can get the Starlink to work here using the Rivian's power. What are you gonna do right now? You're gonna see if...
Check for the visibility.
All right, let's do that.
This is a decent spot for your Starlink. All right.
Look at that. It's searching for life.
Hooking up?
Yeah, look, it just connected. Did you bring the phone? Oh my God, you brought a baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Cyrus.
How old is he?
He's gonna be 6 months next week.
So this baby's very lucky because he's seeing a Starlink V2 and a Rivian. High five. Look at that. How dope is that?
Very nice.
Like, what are you right now? 30? 30 megabits?
Nice. No. On a good day, it's 15. On a good day.
That's awesome, dude.
Typically, it's under 5. All right, thank you.
Later. All right, Ryan, let's go.
Hospital delivery. Where are you guys gonna go?
Home.